Hello and welcome to Xplore Alba. In this video we are exploring Dalwarren Castle in Ayrshire. Well done to Rido for plastering his name all over an historic monument. Well done Rido, your name's forever etched in history. Dalwarren Castle or mansion was designed by Robert Adam, the architect who designed the nearby Killeen Castle for the Kennedy family. Dalwarren and Killeen Castle were designed in a similar style, incorporating castle style features and built symmetrically around a central entrance with a spiral staircase. It was commissioned by Thomas Kennedy in 1785 as a new ancestral seat for his descendants after old Dalwarren Castle. The mansion was completed in 1790 and Thomas Kennedy moved from the old castle into the newly built mansion. The mansion was then extended in 1880 to accommodate the huge family the Kennedys had. As if there wasn't enough room, eh? Both the old and new castle were surrounded by beautiful walled gardens and outbuildings, with the River Girvan nearby. The old castle was built in the 15th century and was a fully fledged defensive castle until it was modernised into a stately home in 1679. It was abandoned and left to decay. The old castle is a listed building. As you can see by the video, the new castle and the old one are both in ruins. The Kennedys' heirs sold the property in the 1930s. Eventually, Dalwarren Castle became too costly for the other owners to maintain and was abandoned. The roof was removed in the late 1960s as a means of avoiding paying tax. As you walk through this huge structure, underneath the graffiti, you can see the history. You see the old fireplaces and where the huge spiral staircase was. Dalwarren Castle is easily accessible. You can park at the nearby village and make your way to both the castles along the path. When I was there was people exploring. Just be careful, there is holes, the floorboards are broken, and there's areas where it could easily collapse. As at the end of every video, we'll give you a bird's eye view of Dalwarren Mansion, but also Dalwarren Old Castle. Thanks for watching.